Welcome back to another video. We got the Harbor Freight SEMA 2025 booth. So we're going to be checking out their new stuff going on, power tools, toolboxes, all that, welders. Don't forget to hop at this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more 2 deals, price glitches.
This is our new Hercules 20 volt mid-torque impact wrench, 1/2-inch anvil. This is one of the best power to size ratios in the industry. It takes our big ultra torque, high torque impact wrenches, shrinks it down to this nice length here, and still provides a powerful 1,000 foot-pounds of max bolt breakaway.
Oh, 1,000 foot-pounds.
And it comes with 3 modes, or 3 speeds with an auto mode and a flashlight mode. So you can turn this on and get it as a flashlight, set it on the ground, and it will stay as a flashlight for up to 20 minutes.
Nice. How about the other one that you got there?
So we're innovating on our line of compact impact wrenches. So our traditional impact wrench is a couple inches longer than this. So we're able to shrink this down and make it more powerful with an extra 100 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque, going from 500 to 600, and adding the 3 speeds, the same as the mid-torque, 3 speeds, auto mode, and a flashlight mode.
And what kind of power are you getting on this one?
The 600 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway.
600 foot-pounds. Oh, wow.
Yeah. And we're really proud of this. Taking it back here, I can even show you the difference of our Generation 1.
Go ahead. Oh, yeah.
And you can see here.
Much big improvement.
Much improved. Getting into those tight spaces, but still providing more power than what this did.
Yeah, I actually have this one. This one, I use it all the time on just the smaller stuff.
Yeah.
But this is going to be a game changer right there.
Oh, I'm glad you think so. I'm really excited about this one.
Yeah.
It's going to be fantastic.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So, anything else you got new going on here?
We have lots of new coming out. So if we just stayed in the impact wrench family to talk about that. So we talked about the new compacts. We talked about the new mid-torque. We've already launched this one, the extended anvil 1/2-inch. This is our traditional high torque here, 1/2-inch, that we've been out there with 1,200 foot-pounds bolt breakaway. This is our beast. We've had this out for a couple of years. This is our ultra torque impact wrench, 1/2-inch anvil, 1,500 foot-pounds bolt breakaway. This is our 3/4 inch. We took this model, put a big old 3/4 inch anvil on it. Then coming out is a 1-inch anvil model. So we'll have a 1-inch tool able to drive the biggest of fasteners. And then also coming out, not so much an impact wrench for auto, but with a 7/16 inch collet, quick release. You can take an auger bit or a self-feed bit and drive big old things through big pieces of wood.
Wow.
So that's our impact wrench, but also not only a 20 volt, we're also innovating on the 12 volt side.
Okay.
So we're taking the same kind of compact nature in this design tool with the multi-speeds, and we're bringing it out with an upgraded version of our 12 volt lineup. We've heard our customers saying that they want 12 volt tools, and so now we're coming out with a 1/4 inch anvil and a 3/8 anvil on a 12 volt style, compact, both in the diameter as well as in the length, 3 speeds, and auto mode.
Nice.
And then you can see how much shorter this one is. This is our current style.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, yeah. Big difference.
Yeah.
Is it the same amount of power or just?
It's more power. So here we have 100 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway on a 1/4 inch anvil. You can't do a lot of torque on a tiny little anvil.
Yeah.
And then it's 100 foot-pounds on this one, but I'll tell you, when you're using it, you'll see how much more efficient this is at delivering that power to the
You'll feel the power too. Yeah.
So this is our new G2 tool storage for Icon. So you guys are familiar with our G1. It's endlessly expandable. This is the next generation of that gives you full shop depth. So you've got a 30-inch box, and it gives you 20% more space than what we had in G1. You also have the triple top drawers. So you've got drawers for sockets, wrenches, pliers, and we've also got a new pull forward latch on this guy that you just lift it up and pull it out, and it activates that latch on the side.
Okay.
It also has a slam proof feature where if you go like that, it's not going to bounce back.
Nice.
So that's built into the slides. Inside this box, you've also got your modular organizer drawer here. You can move these around, keep all the small parts in there. They're screwed down so the parts don't tend to migrate underneath. And then we've also got our power drawer over here where you can do all your charging. So it's got a full length power strip, along the entire length, 2 USB-Cs in the side, and then a full depth power tool organizer drawer too. So you can fit a ton more guns in there and really just keep all your power tool collection in one place.
And when are these going to be released, or when?
So the goal is to really come out with these end of next year. Right now, we're still doing the engineering and development behind them for not only this roll cab, but also all the other add-ons. So we're taking, a poll of everything that everybody likes and, opinions from our customers to try to learn more. Okay. So any feedback that you have, we'd love to hear it.
Okay. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. All right, so you're looking at the brand new off-road jacks. This is actually already at the stores. This is the 3-ton bigger jack. But if you guys look at the back one, the back one's the one that's brand new. It's actually smaller, lighter duty, just easier to carry around. And then you got the new colors available for the toolboxes. So all the full line of toolboxes, including the small ones, they are getting some new colors. Especially this purple color. This is a really, really nice purple color. I wish you guys would see this in person. It looks so, so nice. And then they got this, obviously for the full line. They got the welders. This is the Titanium Unlimited 210 AC/DC MIG-TIG welding. And then they got the Vulcan. This is the most powerful that they got. This is the biggest unit that they have. It's going to be an awesome unit. And then right next door here, you got the welding table. So this is a portable welding table, just like a miter saw stand with wheels. It's gonna be for the welding. And then you got the brand new generator. It's a 4,200 watt dual fuel generator that automatically switches to gas and propane. So yeah, lots of new stuff. Unfortunately, this is what I could get into because time goes by flying here at SEMA. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.